The second topic that are types of faults. We have two classification in the faults. The first one is the symmetrical faults. Second one is the unsymmetrical faults. Again, in unsymmetrical faults, again we are classified into three types faults. The first one is the single phase to ground. Those are line to ground faults. These also unsymmetrical faults. Second one is the two phase to ground. That will be represented by 2L G fault. Okay, two line, two ground faults. And third one is the face to face faults. Okay, two phase will be kind of shorted. Okay, that is also called as a unsymmetrical faults. We have classification is there in the types of faults. We have two major classification: symmetrical faults and unsymmetrical faults. Again, in the unsymmetrical faults, we are classified into three types. One is the line to ground faults, two line to ground faults, and line to line faults. Now we are going to the first classification, that is the symmetrical faults. The symmetrical faults, it is a three-phase faults. It is a three-phase faults. It's called as a symmetrical faults. In a three-phase faults, all the three phases are short circuited. Okay, that is called as a symmetrical faults. There may be a two situation occur in these symmetrical faults. The first one is all the three phases may be short circuited to the ground, or they may be short circuited without involving the ground. It may be with ground or without ground. There is a two situation will be occur in the symmetrical faults. In the symmetrical faults is a three-phase faults. It means that all the three phases, okay, there's a RYB is there now. All the RYB are short circuited. Okay, it occur in a two situation. All the three phase to be shorted with the ground, or without involving the ground also will be short circuited. It will be happier. A three-phase short circuit is generally treated as a standard faults to determine the fault system or system fault level. Okay, this is called as a symmetrical faults. Again, next we are moved to the second classification, that is the unsymmetrical faults. Initially, we know that in unsymmetrical faults, we have three categories. One is the line to ground, two line to ground, and line to line faults. The first one is the unsymmetrical faults. There's a line to ground faults. Okay, a short circuit between the any one phase of the three phase conductor and earth is called as a single phase to ground faults. Okay, one line with a ground. Okay, that will be shorted. That is called as a single phase to ground faults. It may be due to the failure of the insulation between the phase conductor and the earth, or due to the phase conductor breaking and falling the ground. Okay, that is called as a line to ground faults. Okay, this kind of faults will be appear in the during the heavy rain seasons, because any one line will be cut down and fall into the ground. Okay, this kind of faults will be appear here. And second one is the two phase to ground faults. Okay, this is also called as a coming under the unsymmetrical faults. A short circuit between any two phases and the earth is called as a double line to ground or two phase to ground faults. Okay, in the previous case, what happened? Any one single line will be falling to the ground. Okay, that is called as a line to ground faults. Here, the second one is the two phase to ground. Two phase to ground faults. Okay, two phases. The two phases will be short circuited to the earth is called as a double line to ground or two phase ground faults. And third one is the face to face fault. That is a line to line. Okay, we have three lines will be there. The both the two line will be shorted. Okay, that is called as a face to face line or face to face fault. A short circuit between any two phase is called as a line to line or face to face fault. Okay, here we have these are the types of faults will be appear in the power system protections. Okay, we have classification will be there. Okay, symmetrical is the three faults, unsymmetrical will be a single phase to ground or two phase to ground or line to line faults. And open circuit phases. Coming to the open circuit phases, okay, this type of fault is caused by the break in the conducting path. Since faults occurs when one or more phase conductor, break, or a cable joint or a joint on the overhead lines fails. That's the open circuit. Open circuit is nothing but it open the lines. Okay, it is open the line. There is no connection between the. There is no continuity in the particular line because any failure there is a the fault will be occur means the line will be break. That is called as a open circuit phase. Such a situation may also arise when a circuit breaker or isolators open but fail to close one or more phase. Okay, this can be done due to the operating or opening of one or two phases, unbalanced current flows in the system, thereby eating rotating machine winding. Next one is the winding faults. Okay, this will be causes in the transformer or this will be causes during alternators because of variation of the voltage and variation of the current or variation of the frequency. The overheating will be appear in the winding. The winding will be causes the damages. Burn that some number of winding turns also. Okay, that's called the winding faults. Okay, all types of faults discussed above also occurs in the alternators, motors, and transformers winding. In addition to these types of faults, there is a one more type fault is called as a short circuiting of turns, which occurs on machine winding. Okay, what we are discussing in the previous, that's open circuits means the continuity will be disconnected because of the faults. Now winding faults, it is short circuit because the n number of turns should be wounded on the particular phases. Okay, any winding, any one turn should be faulted means all the winding will be short circuited. Then it causes the damage in the machines. That is called the winding faults. And next one is the simultaneous faults. Two or more faults occurring simultaneously. A systems are known as a multiple or simultaneous faults. Okay, two or more faults will be occurring simultaneously. Okay, in the particular same time, the n number of faults will be appear in the particular line or devices. That is called as a simultaneous fault. In these simultaneous faults, the some are different types of faults may occur at the some are different points of the system. Okay, suppose I take an example, two different types of faults will be occurring at the same point in a single line, like to ground fault and one phase and breaking of the conductor of the another phase. Okay, both will be appear in the same line and same point also. That is called as a simultaneous faults. And also the simultaneous presence of the and ground to line faults at the point, and the second will be a line to ground faults, and another phase at the some other point is the example of the two faults at the same time with a different points. In these, the two line to ground faults are on the same section of the line. They are treated as a double line to the ground faults. If they occur in the different line sections, it is known as a cross country earth faults. Cross country faults are common on the system grounded through lines. Impedance are called as a Peterson's coils, but they are rare as solidly grounded systems. Okay, this is also example for the line to ground, otherwise two line to ground fault. Okay, the simultaneous faults also called as a line to ground faults as well as a two line to ground faults. Okay, see these are the classification of the fault system.